Here we go. It's going over the... No, I thought it was going over the bus. They won't do that. It's freestyle. Do they race? Oh, they can't race. Nah, they do.
I'm just going to leave it on because if I touch it, I'll be taking pictures again.
Don't even record 1 minute.
But if I press that...
Oh, wait a minute. Before it hits 10 minutes, stop it and start it again. You know that? Because that's long as I can upload it. Don't let it go past 10 minutes. Just stop it and start it.
Oh, here, you do it while you're here.
Huh?
Here, you record it while you're here. It's jumping, he's jumping.
Rider sitting over yonder in the corner waiting.
I don't think you got his hood still on.
Yeah, it is. See the one sitting over yonder in the corner? The orange one way over yonder across the track.
Yeah, with a little bit of white on it.
Yeah, that's the one that does the backflip.
My turn.
You didn't see that, dude.
I wish I had one that has a better zoom that doesn't get blurry. You know what? I'll make a video of me running over there, jumping over the fence. It's gonna take me forever to upload these videos. Damn, I missed that. I missed a little bit of that.
You like your son?
You like to be more? Oh, Mr. Yeah, I can't.
had to do the donut behind the building.
Oh, they'll do it out in the open.
Only just hit 6 minutes.
Oh, at least one thing, it ain't as dusty as it was last time.
Oh, it's more dry.
Oh, hell, man, they can get out there and you couldn't hardly see them.
I like Ghost Rider.
Where's Ghost Rider?
That's way over here.
While they were voting. It ain't interesting when they ain't doing nothing.
Mary. He's got to set off to himself, you know. He's got to concentrate on that backflip.
Yeah, because if you don't do it just right.
Be
He'll
like,
end up like the other one on his back.
yeah,
What'd you say, Mary?
Look at that.
Mary! Kenna! What, talk to the hand?
Go one up there.
Frankie, look at that.
There, what's your name?
There.
What's your
Frankie,
name?
look at
Christian,
that.
what's your name?
Frankie, look.
Zoom up on them. Oh, hit 8.5 minutes. Let's see if I can get anybody up in there.
Oh,
One's
it's
coming
gone.
out.
It's the little trucks.
Well, they can have fun now. It's wet.
Can they jump and land it? I mean, without
They
hurting?
jumped a little bitty bump.
They jumped the little ones. Look, there's Johnny's Jeep, number 1.